traditional classroom. You're studying definitions, you're studying what somebody else did in a book, and then you're hopefully being allowed to answer questions about that. That's your nuts and bolts science class. This is more about trying things, experimenting with them, prototyping, seeing if they work, tweaking them. And what we learn is, what we thought was the answer may not be the answer. That's true science.
The idea of giving students relevant information, relevant activities, instead of just plug and chug regurgitation of math problems or science problems, but having them actually be able to think is really important. Even if it matters just to keep them in the school, just to keep them coming, to be here, to then become inspired 2 years down the line, or a month down the line, or a week down the line. We have to give them the setting so that they can blossom.
It's extremely important for young people to have an idea of how they can apply the knowledge and skills that they're learning in schools, especially math, science, technology, and engineering programs. That's the fundamental baseline for any solid career going forward in the future. Anytime you have an opportunity to help kids engage in their learning process, they're more motivated and they'll begin to understand how they can apply their skills to the world of work.
I enjoy hands-on activities because I'm a very hyper person. So when I do work, it's like I don't want to sit down on a class every single time. I want to be able to get up, be able to move around. Working on a paper or on a laptop doesn't really help me much. It mostly makes me feel fuzzy, so when I'm moving around and actually touching things and learning, I feel joy.
And then lay it on here and glue it.
All right.
Okay.
Me and my group members, we basically made a one-string guitar.
The magnet is what powers the sound.
When we plug in the amp to the guitar, it was able to project sound.
The STEM Academy is doing some outstanding programs, getting students more inspired about technology and what they can do with technology.
The reason why I like working on a team is that when I work on a team, it actually helps me more get things done, and also we get to talk about how we feel about each other's opinions. With a regular class is like you get to work on things by yourself, basically speaking. Like you have nobody else beside you to help you in your struggles. I'm not the best, I'm not the greatest, but at the end of the day, I could still make an honest living.